Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I make videos on finance, investing, and business, and in this video we'll be going over stock splits. So let's jump right in. So in this video we're going to cover what a stock split is, the types of stock splits, examples of stock splits, and go over the recent Apple stock split news. So basically, a stock split increases the number of shares in a company. A stock split also causes a decrease of the price of the individual shares, but does not cause a change of the total market cap of a company. Now we're going to talk about the types of stock splits. There's two types of stock splits, a regular stock split and a reverse stock split. A regular stock split occurs when a company wants to increase their shares but decrease their price, and a reverse stock split occurs when a company wants to decrease their shares and increase their price. Apple has done many regular stock splits to attract investors to buy their stock. On the other hand, AIG, the Popular Insurance Corporation, in 2009, during the financial crisis, announced a reverse stock split of 1 for 20. They did this as hope to regain support for the stock while it was tumbling. Now I'm going to give an example that everyone should be able to relate to, which is pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? Let's say you get your pizza and it's cut into 8 slices. Cutting it doesn't mean you necessarily have less pizza, you just have more small pieces which make up the whole pie. Now we're going to talk about the 4 for 1 Apple stock split. Apple on Thursday announced its third quarter earnings and also that the board of directors had approved a 4 for 1 stock split. Apple has been on a tear for the last 5 years, and the split should bring in investors who are skeptical about the high prices. Since the stock currently trades above $440, this means investors have a chance to buy a share of Apple for around $110 once again, depending on exactly where the stock trades at the end of August. The shares will be distributed to shareholders at the market close on August 24th, and trading will begin on a split-adjusted basis on August 31st. Here's a couple more things about the Apple 4 for 1 split. Apple before the split had 12.6 billion shares, and after the split will have 50.4 billion shares. Also, Apple stock has split 4 more times since the company went public. The stock split on a 2 for 1 basis on June 16, 1987, June 21, 2000, and February 28, 2005, and on June 9, 2014, the stock split on a 7 for 1 basis. Well, that's all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, a like and sub towards the channel would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, there's a link down in the description. Also in the description, you can find a link towards Robinhood. Robinhood is one of the best brokerages out there, and when you sign up, you'll get a free stock. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.